to catch my crease, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And the color I'll be using is this. So I have already did some color correcting off camera, put my lashes on to save myself the time, because as you all know, that's what I've been doing over and over and over again on this channel. So if I skip it today, I don't think it's a problem. So what I will do is to go in with my foundation, and of course the foundation that I'll be using is from L'Oreal. And the concealer that I'll be using is LA Pro Concealer. And to contour my face, I'm going to use L'Oreal Perfect Match. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use the knife and another powder. And to contour my face, I'm going to use NYX palette, any darker shade from the palette. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Setting Spray. And the blush that I'm going to use is